CorporateCare Enhanced. Experience that only Rolls-Royce can deliver. When every second is crucial, standing still is not an option. With the world's largest OEM-backed service network, Rolls-Royce keeps you moving forward. CorporateCare Enhanced, powered by a $1 billion global investment in people, parts and presence, clearing your path to unmatched aircraft availability. This is the OEM advantage. Global expertise and assets ready whenever and wherever you need them. Only Rolls-Royce delivers the depth of support to keep you flying further, faster. When keeping your aircraft flying is your priority, you are our priority. CorporateCare Enhanced, giving you priority access, premier support.